This is Jamie with Bar I. In this video, we're going to show you how to complete the communication step of your accountability audit. So where we are in the process at this point is you'll have uploaded your invoices the day before you did your count, and typically we'll do the count and then the sales and do communication. In actual fact, you can do steps 2, 3, and 4 in any order you wish. So let's jump in here. So before I show you how we use this sheet, let's go ahead and quickly explain the best way to do this, which is to make sure that you have a communication log or a bar log behind the bar, so all of the bartenders can share in the responsibility of noting items or exceptions which can affect your inventory. As a rule of thumb, anything that is going to affect your inventory by 10 servings or more and not captured through invoicing or point of sale usage would ideally be communicated here in the communication tab ahead of time. So to make your adjustments, let's run through the types of adjustments. If you spilled or broke something, if you had additional sales not captured in the point of sale, if you loaned out or removed product that was not captured in the point of sale, if we added something to inventory, so a rep brought it or we brought it in from quarantine, if we substituted one product for another, or if it was used in the kitchen and not running into the point of sale, those would all be great examples of things we would like to know about ahead of time to cut down on inefficiency of looking, communicating it, and then fixing it through the variant support. So to start the process, go ahead and start typing the name of the product. I'm going to pretend here we're using my favorite type of beer, and maybe owner took home. You can add as many as you like, so we can hit plus here, and maybe a case of wine was showed up without an invoice. So in that case, I'd say 12 units of bottles added to inventory, rep brought that he owed us. So once you've completed all the items, you can do some of this and then click done for now if you want to keep up to date with this as you go, or do them all at once and go ahead and click finalize and send notification, and that will let your borrow account manager that you've completed those steps. Thanks as always for watching.